Rice is a staple in human consumption. It is among one of the first plants ever domesticated, first being planted as crops 9,000 years ago in Asia. In the following few thousand years, it was domesticated twice more in two other completely separate continents. Today, rice makes up 20% of all calories consumed by the human population. Rice is a semi-aquatic plant that can easily grow with roots submerged in water. While other plants require oxygen to reach their roots, rice plants have air channels that reach from their leaves to their roots. Frequently, rice is grown in paddy fields, where plants grow on flat ground submerged in a few inches of water. This results in high yield as weeds cannot compete in the aquatic environment. This has its setbacks as this method of cultivation requires a surplus of water. While rice covers 11% of global cropland, its cultivation accounts for a third of water consumption and irrigation. Americans consumed 4.6 million tons of rice in the 2022-2023 trade year, and the average American consumes around 27 pounds of rice each year. The U.S. accounts for 2% of rice production, but 5% of rice as exports globally. Nearly half of the rice produced in the U.S. is exported. About 3/4 of medium rice grains cultivated in the U.S. come from my home state of California. Rice from California is in virtually every sushi roll made in America. In April, rice is planted in completely level fields by planes reaching 100 miles per hour. Until November, plants are submerged in 5 inches of water. When ready for cultivation, the fields will be drained and high-tech cultivators gather the rice. After harvest, water is reapplied to the fields, offering 230 wildlife species a habitat for part of the year. Rice is of great importance to my state, as the industry contributes nearly 25,000 jobs and more than $5 billion to our economy. In a global sense, rice offers billions of people something to eat. It has imprinted itself into different cultures around the world. Despite its simple and obvious existence, this special plant has proven itself to be a central role in the diet of people of all epochs and origins.